a very good day everyone. So today me and my group mates will be presenting our group assignment. Alright, after a few discussion and proposing a few topics, we end up our group assignment with the title Gadget for Children, Development or Disaster with the hashtag ChildTech. We want to see the good and bad of letting children using the gadget and also the role of parents in solving this issue.
For our group, we have 4 members which consist of me Nursuana binti Iskandar, Putrina Syafiqah binti Saifuddin, Elisa Amira binti Sohaimi and Anis Suraya binti Rahman.
Hello everyone, like the others group, we also prepared tips for code, headline, visual and video. So each one of us will be presenting as following. Putri will explain about code, headline by Sohana, me Elisa will explain about visual and the last one Anis for video. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Okay, so as you can see, there are 5 code tweets that I tweet, and all those tweets are from a reliable source. So there are 2 tweets that are from an official account of online newspaper. Okay, so there are 2 tweets that explain about the benefit of gadget for children, which are one tweet contains a video and another tweet contains a link that can direct to an article that explains about the benefits.
For our headline, me and Anis decide to do 4 headlines, which each of us will make 2. Our headline consists of the effect if children was given a gadget, whether it's good or bad. We put the headline based on a blog that states the advantage and disadvantage of using gadget, an article that put harmful effect of the gadget, a post from a reliable source as the news that actually state that children will be more prone to exposed to predator because of gadget, and lastly a post that made by one of the citizens in Twitter that link gadget will make children antisocial. All of this is directed to all the people, as everyone shall participate in helping all this new generation adapt to the world without depending too much on the gadget.
As you can see, we have 3 visuals here. The first one is GIF. We use Canva to create this GIF, and we also use a few elements like graphic and sticker to show the difference between kids then and now. The second one, we make a short animation video from Animaker apps. In that video, we just use one character to show or to explain the whole video about what we should do, especially parents, whether to avoid, limit or encourage access between children and gadget. And the last one is just a poster also from Canva. So for the image, I just copy paste from Google, and the message is about the illness that can happen to children because of gadget. So throughout the process of preparing the visual, Canva helped to design based on my creativity, and Animaker application is good to make animation video. Also provide a 3 free voiceover that can help you if you don't want to use your own voice. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back with me Nursuana from Shiraz
and me Anisraya from Seremban.
So for today's topic, we will talk about gadget for children. Is it development or disaster? What do you guys think?
Did you guys know a worrying side effect of the ongoing movement control is the growing addiction to smart devices among the children and adolescents?
Psychiatrists are seeing more young cases of young patients who are hooked on gadgets such as smartphones, tablets and computer.
So right now, we'll be interviewing people to ask about their opinion on gadget for children. Is it development or disaster? Let's go!
Kita orang as kakak and family memang provide diorang gadget sebab mostly cikgu akan update video sekolah ataupun tanya apa-apa hal-hal penting dekat group WhatsApp.
For the limitation that I give is like for this session it will be like 1 hour, so it will be 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon and 1 hour in the night, so it can be total 3 to 4 hours.
ada bawa positifnya, ada bawa negatifnya juga. Yang kalau bahagian positifnya tu, ada gadget ni macam memudahkanlah dia untuk cari jawapan ke, berbincang dengan kawan-kawan di masa sekolah ke. Negatif tu mungkin dia terlalu menghabiskan masa dengan game sampai dia tak tidur.
Using the features in the phone where they require for the certain apps, you can set the amount, how many hours per day that you use the apps.
So based on the interview, we can conclude that the young generation nowadays use gadgets for mostly entertainment and to introduce them to knowledge that is not learned in school. Last but not least, keep track of the time they are in front of the screen so it will not become disaster. Bye! The last one is a video package. So Sohana and I decided to do it together, where we interviewed people who have younger siblings so that they can answer the question based on their experience. So they had been given 4 questions, which is the first one: do you give your younger brother or sister a gadget such as phone, and why? Number 2, how long does your kid or sibling spend their time on their gadget? Does it affect their development? Number 3, what is the effect of them playing with gadget? Is it positive or negative? And last one, how do you think we can limit children using their gadgets? So all 4 interviewees gave their siblings a gadget, which is a phone, but mostly for their online classes and a few for entertainment. None of them said that the gadget affect their siblings' development because they all have a limit on how long they can use the phone. So from the interview, we can conclude that young generation nowadays use gadget actually start from their online classes and of course for entertainment. And not just that, the parents or siblings give the kids a gadget because they want to introduce a knowledge that is not learned in school for their general knowledge. Last but not least, to summarize our group project, so our objective for this topic is to know whether the gadgets bring development or disaster to the kids, which is the answer is it can be both depending on how the parents control them. So today, parents or adults need to accept the new norm where the internet is a kid new way of learning. So before this, usually we will read about the harmful of gadgets to the kids, right? But since the MCO, Movement Control Order happened, all students in Malaysia, including university students and people who are working from home, need to have a gadget, okay, which is a phone or a laptop to do their work. So we as the parents, we as the siblings, whether we want it or not, we have to accept the new norm. Okay, so what we can do is find ways to reduce gadget addiction to kids. First, what we can do is explain to them how long they can use the gadget, maybe 2 hours per day, or maybe we can set the screen time, okay, or if they have online class from morning till evening, we as the parents or siblings need to bring them outside, okay, spend a little bit time to bring them outside so that they will not attach with the gadget. Okay, so I think that's all from us. Thank you.